All right, guys and girls, welcome to another episode of This is a saga of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? All right, guys and girls, you saw the title. This is part 3. What happened with Advanced Auto Parts Store? I told you guys, no matter which way it goes, I was gonna bring you the results. All right, because I like to do that. I just don't want to put a company down and just leave it out in the open and let y'all think the company is bad. I like to let you know to the final what happened. So yeah, this was a kind of shocker to me. So you definitely want to pay attention to what's coming up right here on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, let's get right to it. You guys know the history. If you don't know, watch parts 1 and part 2. Alright, so last time I told you guys, I wrote... Okay, no, that's right. Some of you don't even know. All right. Just like I told you in part 1, I was going to write Advance and let them know what's going on. All right. Within an hour or two, Advance wrote me back. They said they was apologize for what happened, and the district manager will be contacting me. And they wanted the contact information. So I wrote them back. I gave them my contact information, and I gave them the contact information for the customer, Jimmy Dancy. Jimmy. Yeah, buddy, what's up? All right, so they might have called me. I don't know, because me and Sylvia was busy like crazy today. So they did contact the customer. Now this is where it gets interesting at. The customer called Jimmy. He calls us. He speaks to Sylvia, and the first thing out of his mouth is he said the store manager called him. And he said she had such an attitude. All right, so now I hear that Sylvia tells me that before Jimmy continues on. And I'm upset already because you didn't buy the part. If you have an attitude with anybody, it should be with your employee who told me that only thing we can do is charge it. This is our store policy. You can speak to the manager, but she's going to tell you the same thing. Huh. Okay, so your attitude should be with your employees and straighten that mess out. And then just to have an attitude altogether. Well, let me get that. Let's put that to the side. All right. So I said, okay. So then there was a discrepancy, a misunderstanding, because Jimmy said, bring back the money, and what about the core? Now, what he meant was the core to the big battery, because remember, we changed the big battery. So I said, okay, I'm gonna call up there to make sure we straighten everything out. So I call up, but then I stop. I said, wait a minute. If she has an attitude with Jimmy, she's gonna have an attitude with me. So and I need to prove this to you guys how she is, and prove to the district manager and AutoZone of how she is. So I recorded the conversation. Yeah, buddy, you know it. But what guys, you ain't gonna believe this. The customer is 100% right. She has an attitude problem. She got issues. I mean, just like I said, this is not your part. This wasn't your battery. This didn't come out your pocket. All right. Customer satisfaction is number one. The customer paid $105 for this battery. AutoZone, now AutoZone pay about $25, $30, $50 for the battery. Do you think for 1 minute AutoZone, I'm saying AutoZone, I'm sorry AutoZone, they're gonna get after me now. Do you think Advance cares about this measly $35, $50 when they know if satisfied customer will always be a repeat customer and will let other people know? Yeah, I had this issue. The manager called me back. She was very nice and apologetic and everything. He will tell people that. But no, because of you you left a bad taste in his mouth and us, and now you got an issue. So how Advance is going to handle this, I have no idea. But guys, enough of this talking. You ready? Here we go. You ain't gonna hear no more from me after this, cause this is just too funny. All right. Here's the recording that I took. A recording when I called. No. There was I forgot what. Dang it, what was his name? I spoke to some guy when I called up. I did speak to somebody, and he picked up the phone. He was in commercial. I'm gonna give him credit right here on the phone, and I'll let Advance know. I am definitely giving him credit. It seemed like he knew what was going on, whatever. But he was very nice on the phone, and even though we only spoke for a couple seconds, very cool guy. And I believe he should have been manager, because I think he would have handled it a lot different. But anyway, guys and girls, here it is. It's like a crank call.
Thank you for calling Advanced Auto Parts and Commercial. This is Zachary speaking. How may I help you?
Hey Zachary, how you doing? This is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. Is the manager in today?
She is.
Let me
get her for you.
Thank you very much.
We'll be with you in a moment.
What am I gonna cut out? Ain't got none. No. Cutting nothing out.
You can cut out this whole part.
Thank you for calling Advanced Auto Parts. We will be with you in a moment.
She might be ashamed of this car.
Thank you for calling Advanced Auto Parts. We will be with you in a moment.
I'm not comfortable.
What?
I'm like leaning over.
So why you leaning over?
Just to make sure the sound picks up.
Thank you for calling Advanced Auto Parts. We will be with you in a moment.
Will you?
She gonna say, listen, damn it. Don't you record me? I heard about you. You and Civvy.
You're funny.
Thank you for calling Advanced Auto Parts. We will be with you in a moment.
I don't know, you keep telling me this, but it ain't happening.
Thank you for calling Advanced Auto Parts. We will be with you in a moment.
I think that's exactly what it is. It's just a mix up on the core. He was talking about the big core and the big battery. I would hope so. I mean, I don't know.
No, he was, because he said while he bring you the old one,
But I think when I'll bring
He
you,
mentioned the bill.
Thank
He
you
said,
for
well,
calling
what about
Advance
the
Auto
bill?
Parts. We will be with you in a moment.
yeah,
He
see,
said,
it's
no, I'm not giving you your money back for the car. Well, that's what he said. She said, I'm not giving you your money back for the car.
and she wouldn't because he still got the core. He still got the core on both batteries.
Well, he was talking about bringing the car. Because he said, I already have that battery installed. I'm not doing that. I'm going to bring you the old one. And she
Thank
said,
you
well,
for
I'm not
calling
giving you your
Advance
money
Auto
back for
Parts.
that.
We will be with
Yeah, I
you in
definitely
a
think it's
moment.
just miscommunication on it. Yeah, because I mean they got no choice. I mean
That's why I said to him.
that's the core for the
Exactly
battery.
what I said to him. She has no choice but to give you your money back on the car.
So I think it's just misunderstanding.
Thank you for calling Advance Auto Parts. We will be with you in a moment.
I know you guys are like, is she making him wait purposely?
Heck yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Right, yeah, buddy. She don't have no idea. I be joking at her.
That's what's up, yo.
That's where she go. What's up with that, yo? It's in the feeling.
Thank you for calling Advance Auto Parts. We will be with you in a moment.
Yeah, I need to finish watching The Strain.
Marisol speaking. How can I help you?
How you doing? Who am I speaking to?
This is Marisol.
Marisol, how you doing? This is Timmy from Astro Auto Repairs. You spoke to my customer today, Jimmy Dancy, about the return on the battery.
Yes, sir.
I think there was a little bit confusion on the part. From what I understand, you was going to give him back the money for the battery he purchased and all that. And the core he mentioned, I think he was talking about the core for the big one that because he had bought 2 batteries that time. And I think there was a confusion because you said you're not going to give him back his money for the core. Or I think you meant the little battery, but I think he meant the big battery.
I don't see where the confusion is at. He told me he wanted the money back for his big battery, which I was discussing it with him because he's the one that purchased the batteries. He wanted the money back for the big battery, and I told him the problem was not with the big battery. It was with the little battery. So while we were discussing about the big battery, the only money that he could get back for the big battery is his core charge.
Yeah, see, that's where the confusion was. He meant the money back for the core, the big
That's not
battery
what he
core.
told me. He said, I want my whole money back. Whole money means everything. Now,
Well, I mean,
core,
whole
yes,
money-
He could bring the core, and he could get his money back for his core. Now, the little battery, I told him if he wants, he can return it, and I can refund him his money. He said that he already paid somebody to install it.
Right, yeah, we don't want to
And
store
my
it.
question was, why would you install a battery that you're telling us, or they was telling you that that battery was bad?
Because I did speak to Rick that day, and Rick told me, he said, you can speak to my manager, but she's going to tell you the same thing, so ain't no use in talking to her. So, because I would have been happy to bring that battery back. But what we are going to do is, we just got off the phone with him. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to take the battery out, and he's going to bring it
He
back.
needs to come.
Right, yeah, he is. He's gonna I'm gonna take it out for him. He's gonna bring it down, and he'll bring the core down for the big battery, and I'll make sure everything is cleared up. That because I know he didn't mean the big battery money back for the big battery, but cool. We're on the same page. So I'll definitely get the battery out, and he'll bring it down to you.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're welcome. Thanks. Boy, she does her heck yeah, she hung up. Yo, y'all saw that, y'all heard that, guys, right? She just hung up for me. This is the manager. Let me shut this off. Let me stop this. Let me hang up this thing. That's the manager that act like that and hung up. This is the manager at the what's the address? The one on Sunset Avenue? Yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, gotta watch. These people are ridiculous. ridiculous. Yo, so you heard what happened. What we're gonna do is tomorrow morning, I'm going down to the customer, and I know we know the customer didn't mean the money for the big battery. For though, I don't give it no, but whatever it is, what it is, what it is. But we're gonna take the battery out, and he's gonna, like she say, he's gotta come down. Yeah, right. Like, what's the difference if I came down for the receipt? Well, I don't, whatever. But he's gonna come down. He's gonna get his money back. We're gonna put his old battery, the little one, the auxiliary battery, back in there. And we're gonna leave like that, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this phone call. Matter of fact, while we're doing this, Sylvia, you gotta do the closing, so you gotta say it. Say it out loud.
All right, so we just had a conversation with the manager at the Advanced Auto Parts store in Rocky Mount on Sunset Avenue. She was wonderful. But if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again.
Heck yeah, watch that again. Yo, if you can't,
what's up, yo?
yo, if you can't do customer service, man, you have no business in dealing with customers if you don't know how to talk to people.
Manager.
I know, to be a manager, yo, that's just.
Well, that just shows what kind of people Advance hires. Anyone.
Yo,
anyone willing to take the job.
You know, I am so glad this is recorded. So now, when this video goes up there, the district manager himself or herself sees how she speaks to customers. And it was, was I rude or anything? I wasn't mean anything to her. We're just talking. You said, no, he meant the whole thing. Like, hey, how you know what he meant?
I don't see where the confusion was.
Right. Like, you could speak, you read Jimmy's mind or something. What the heck? What do you mean? I was like, yo, I ain't gonna get into that. Let's ain't doing something. Alright, guys. Talk to y'all later.